How to fix could not find recovery environment Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix could not find Windows environment in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll need to head over to your search bar. Simply type in CMD there. So simply search for CMD on your Windows search. And here you will see Run as Administrator option. Tap on that. After that, you will need to grant it permission. Just do that. And right here, all you have to do is type in regency, give a space, a slash, and type in enable. After that, press enter and your CMD will do its thing. Now that's the first fix. That should fix your issue. But if that does not work, you will need to use another method.
Now, the second method involves using a USB flash drive. So get ready with that and plug it in. After you've done that, head over to the search bar. Then simply type in create recovery. And you'll find a create a recovery drive option. Open that up. Give it permission and follow this prompts, all the prompts right here. You can tap on next and do everything here. And after you've done that, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching.